Round one, fight!
What's up, guys? I'm back, and I guess I just pick up from where I left off. So look at this shit, man. This thing is gone. And the push pin clip just sheared off. This guy's looking at me as I'm parting up the car. Playing like 80s rock music. Yeah, I'm gonna continue to it and get this interior piece off. And no! Dude, GoPro has really cheap clips. Okay, so I got the head mount since my other grip thingy mount broke, and now I gotta print another one because, you know, for some reason GoPro things are so cheap. But yeah, when I was taking off this the A-pillar cover, the freaking the push pin clip just snapped. Like, I didn't even do anything. The only thing I did was I took it off lightly and then it just said crack. 30 years would do that to a car. That's stuck to there. There's parts everywhere on this thing. Oh, look at this. A ground wire that goes to nowhere. I really would like to meet the person that was doing this car first. I first had this car. Oh shit. Oh my god. This top is done. This thing is in rough shape. This needs some love. It's not supposed to be doing that. And these are like super brittle. The clips are holding these in. Jeez, somebody has not been taking care of the interior. Oh shit. Damn. This is good for one thing. Wiping off this crud off the hood, off this glass. Right now I have you guys balanced on my freaking knee. So as I try to get this freaking clip out that won't come out for the back brake light on top of the dome.
Juki got the sauce, bitch.
Right when I had it. Okay, boom. There we go. There we go. Really about to lose my ish right there. What's up, guys? It's LSA. I know this time I didn't record an outro like I was supposed to, but future videos I am working on an outro, I promise you. But this is the end of the day 2 of the teardown of the Camaro. Be prepared for the next drop on as far as the Camaro goes. Next video, I got something a little bit different for you guys, spice it up from the boringness. It's LSA. I'm out. Deuces.